Let's talk about pre-match at the airport. What the hell does pre-match mean? Oh my God. I read through this and I'm like, you have got to be absolutely kidding me about this. So basically, this is while you're waiting at the staging lot, you're going to receive an in-app notification directing you to head toward the pickup area. Don't worry, you won't lose your place in the queue, but while en route, you could receive a ride request. Doesn't mean you're gonna. So in the event that you don't receive the trip request on your way to the pickup zone, you're going to have to return to the waiting lot and resume your position at the top of the queue. So you know what that means? It means it sounds like you're driving around like a fucking retard. And because Uber's like, oh, you could get a ride. No, I'm not wasting my gas. I'm not wasting moving because you're going to say, oh, let's give you a possible ride. So why don't you head to the pickup zone so it can shave off 2.5 minutes to the rider who isn't going to be ready because they're at the gate, just getting off the plane and ordering the ride at that point.
You hit the nail on the head. This is for the rider. And this, you know how many gullible drivers will fall for this? They will make that ridiculous. I know from LAX, they will make that ridiculous trip, get out of the pig pen, go to the pickup zone, wait a few minutes, and then there's no trips, and then they have to reroute and come back. And I bet you the app will glitch, and then they'll put them to the back of the queue as opposed to the front of the queue that they're supposed to. People don't do these kind of things. This is all hocus pocus games. This is just nothing. This is nothing in this for you. This is only for the rider, because Uber's algo supposedly is going to figure out, oh, there are a lot of people ordering chips, and then I'm like, no. Until you get the ping, do not go to the pickup zone. Period. Yeah. That's it.
Don't move your car.
Don't even,
because otherwise you're wasting money at that point, whether it's electric on your charge or whether it's gas. It's just stupid. Don't go.
Look at this. See? There you go. Taken from the horse's mouth. One of the best top 1% driver in Boston. I did it this weekend as a test. That's exactly what happened. Drove in a circle and no ride. Total scam. There you go, Uber. Nice try. It ain't gonna fly here, but then it may fly, in some circles.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Don't worry, we're going to put this in the we're going to translate this into the Spanish channel as well, so our Spanish brothers and sisters out there will know. Don't leave. Just stay at the lot. Wait till you get the ride request. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your gas. Enjoy. Kick back. Watch some YouTube for a little bit. Hopefully you watched Elijah's video on the app override if you have an Android and you don't have to worry about that. Granted, unfortunately, you have to do something stupid like that, or you could just get an iPhone. I mean,
well, no, but I'm pretty sure most drivers are on iOS, but I will guess maybe 40% of Uber drivers are on Android. And look, some people may like that overlay. I hate it, right? And then I'm like, I had actually done a video exactly when it started before my boycott, right? I did a video and then it did well, and Elijah did an amazing job. We had to get around the overlay, but then unfortunately you have to keep doing it every time you go offline. That's the pain in the ass part. It's like,
and it shouldn't be.
Fix it. It's like just give us a switch, like Lyft has. Lyft has a switch.
First of all, you already have the switch. It's already built into the settings on the phone.
Yeah.
Isn't that good enough? Why would you have to turn that on? That's just
that's anti-competitive. You know that, right? That's goddamn anti-competitive. That really is.
Well,
or a three-letter agency that's maybe watching.
Hashtag and at FTC.
Something like that.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.